Environmentally conscious consumers are always looking for ways to reduce their impact on the planet, whether by biking to work instead of driving, or simply using a refillable water bottle. Going green is the future. So when it comes to choosing a house, you should know manufactured homes are the green answer for home building. Sustainability is key for manufactured and modular homes, with many models offering everything from Energy Star upgrades that maximize energy efficiency to solar attachments. And with an efficient factory-built construction process, manufactured homes have a far smaller carbon footprint than a site-built home. In fact, because of the efficiencies of a factory construction process, all of the waste from a manufactured home can fit into one single 55-gallon garbage bag. Manufactured homes ensure you'll be able to live the eco-friendly lifestyle you desire for a price that you can afford. In the world of manufactured and modular homes, going green also means a little extra green in your account at the end of the month.